The African savannah, a land of ancient rhythms, hosts one of nature's most extraordinary hunters. Meet the secretary bird, a creature of striking elegance and formidable skill. Its name, thought to derive from these quill-like feathers, hints at a unique character.
Across the sub-Saharan plains, this bird of prey reigns supreme on foot.
Unlike most raptors, the secretary bird hunts primarily on the ground. Its long legs, perfect for navigating the savannah, conceal a deadly secret.
The secretary bird is a truly fascinating example of evolution, adapting to a specific niche. They're not just beautiful, they are incredibly efficient predators, especially of snakes.
This magnificent bird has a diet as diverse as the savannah itself.
Insects, small mammals, and even other birds fall prey to its keen senses. But it's their specialized technique for hunting reptiles that truly sets them apart.
These powerful legs are not just for walking, they are its primary weapons. With incredible patience, the secretary bird meticulously scans the ground. Its eyesight is exceptional, capable of spotting the slightest movement of hidden prey.
A rustle in the grass. The hunt begins.
It approaches with caution, knowing its target can be dangerous. The snake killer prepares for battle.
With a sudden burst of speed, it initiates the attack. The impact can be 5 times the bird's body weight. A devastating blow.
The secretary bird's stomping technique is incredibly fast, precise, and powerful.
They use their large, strong feet to stun and incapacitate their prey.
The thick scales on their legs provide crucial protection against venomous bites.
It's a delicate and dangerous dance, where one wrong move could be fatal. The secretary bird's agility is astonishing, allowing it to evade swift counterattacks.
It continues its barrage of stomps until the snake is completely subdued.
Once the threat is neutralized, the secretary bird swallows its meal whole. A successful hunt, proving its dominance as a true snake killer.
They are simply incredible engineers of their own survival, true masters of their environment. The secretary bird's long legs also act as a shield, keeping its vital organs out of striking range.
Though primarily ground-dwelling, the secretary bird can fly with remarkable grace. They build large, flat nests high in acacia trees, safe from ground predators. These nests are crucial for raising their young, usually 2 to 3 eggs per clutch. The incubation period is about 45 days, a time of quiet anticipation.
Soon, the next generation of snake killers emerges.
Parental care is vital, with both adults bringing food to the hungry secretary bird chicks.
The young secretary birds learn their deadly craft through observation and practice. They hone their skills, preparing for the challenges of adult life in the savannah.
Each stomp is a lesson. each movement a step towards mastery.
Watching them develop these complex behaviors is truly a privilege.
The secretary bird, a symbol of the wild savannah, continues its ancient vigil. The African savannah stirs with the first light, revealing a new day of survival.
The secretary bird, a true avian predator, begins its daily patrol.
Known for its distinctive walk, it covers vast distances searching for prey.
Its incredible legs are not just for walking, they are its primary weapon.
With exceptional eyesight, no movement on the ground goes unnoticed. A common prey, a venomous snake, lies hidden, thinking itself safe.
But the secretary bird has spotted it. The hunt begins with stealth.
Its legendary stomp is precise, calculated to subdue its dangerous quarry.
The impact is immense, stunning the snake and breaking its will to fight. Multiple, rapid stomps ensure the snake is completely subdued and harmless.
Victory achieved. The secretary bird secures its meal with caution.
They're largely resistant to snake venom, a crucial adaptation.
A magnificent display of nature's design, predator and prey in balance.
Snakes aren't their only diet. Insects provide essential nutrients too. Small mammals like rodents also fall prey to their relentless hunting.
Each bird claims a wide territory, constantly patrolling for food. High above the ground, the secretary bird constructs its formidable nest. Here, life begins anew, a testament to the species' enduring legacy. Both parents share the responsibility of incubation, protecting their future.
After weeks of waiting, the first signs of new life emerge from the shell.
A fragile yet determined secretary bird hatchlong enters the world. Nurtured by their parents, these young birds will soon grow rapidly.
They practice their flight, building strength for their first perilous journey.
Crucial lessons begin early, preparing them for the art of the hunt.
Awkward beginnings pave the way for future mastery of their unique skill.